Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to change the screen timeout on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Display. Then, look for Screen Timeout, Sleep, or Screen Timeout and Brightness, depending on your device. Tap the option to view the available timeout durations. Now, choose how long you want your screen to stay on before it automatically turns off. You can select options such as 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or longer, depending on your phone. Once you select your preferred timeout duration, the setting will be saved automatically. Go back to your home screen and let your phone sit idle to make sure the new screen timeout is working as expected. That's all. You've successfully changed the screen timeout on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.